On this millennial review, we're going to be looking at an end table to fit in this awkward spot between my recliner and the wall. This spot doesn't fit a normal end table, so hopefully to the rescue is this end table from American Heritage, where it's a wedge shape to hopefully fit that weird angle between my recliner and the wall. So in this video, we're gonna assemble it. I'll show you what the quality is of this one in the espresso color, show you just how hard it is, or easy, I hope, to get put together, and then I'll let you know what I think. So if this thing's interesting to you, stick around, as well as keep in mind I've got the Amazon link to this wedge end table down in the description below, should it solve a need for you as well. Let's do it.
You